Welcome to Eats and Travels. It is Easter. Come with me as I make my niece and my nephew an Easter basket. So the first stop was Dollar Tree. And yeah, these are all little trinkets. I got them. I went from Dollar Tree. So this is Dollar Tree, so I'll let you watch. Comment below if you shop at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is one of my favorites. Again, next one is Five Below. So this is Five Below. Again, I am making my niece and my nephew an Easter basket. They brought me out of retirement. Again, enjoy this video. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Again, this is I got different things from, I got the buckets from Dollar Tree. The buckets are from Five Below. Again, comment below if you're a Five Below fan. Again, look at that little strawberry shortcake. Again, this is Eats and Travels Easter basket. So that's the one I got my nephew. Again, this is shopping for an Easter basket. I put their Easter baskets together, and you're gonna see out throughout the video. Again, all the little trinkets and candy and dessert that I put in a basket. Again, enjoy. This is Five Below. Again, this is all of the candy. This is all of the items I got from Five Below. Yeah. Again, this is all of the candy that I had. We're going to be also trying out different candy this week for Easter. Again, comment below, subscribe. Do you make your children, your grandchildren Easter baskets? So here's the finished product of one of the Easter baskets, the SpongeBob SquarePants. And I called the kids and they were super excited to see what I had created for them. This is the Hello Kitty. Oh, it came out so cute. I got this is for my niece. They have a coloring book, books, reading, and she likes everything princess themed. So she likes lip gloss. Again, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. This is Eats and Travels Easter edition. Again, this is Easter edition, and I made my niece and my nephew a basket for Easter. Again, comment below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Enjoy.